Good day, dear classmates and Sir Caparas. We are here to present to you the map of Siargao.
Good morning, dear classmates and Sir Caparas.
And I am Bianca Sunjam, Group 23 of the class of St. Berndard.
I am Dorothy J. Pantaleon, Group 23 from the class of St. Bernard.
Siargao is a teardrop-shaped island 800 kilometers away from Manila. It is approximately 437 square kilometers. The island is composed of 9 municipalities with different tourist attractions. Siargao is known for their beautiful beaches and coves, perfect for bucket list checking.
Have you ever thought of the slopes connecting different towns you are to visit? Have you ever thought of the paths perpendicular to each other? If not, we are here to educate you about the different slopes of the connected towns that you are to visit here in Siargao.
The first connected cities are Socorro and Santa Monica. Since Siargao doesn't have a capital because it is already the capital of the province of Siargao, we decided to use the largest city, which is Socorro, and Santa Monica because it is the second largest city.
So the southernmost part of the island is Socorro. The coordinates of Socorro is -3 and -7. To get the coordinates, you must first get the abscissa. The southernmost part of the island is Socorro. Socorro's coordinate is -3 and -7. To get the coordinates, first we must find which quadrant the pin is plotted. In this case, the pin is plotted in the third quadrant, which is the -. Then, next, you will find the abscissa. Go to the origin and look if it's positive or negative. In this one, it is negative. So we move to the left. So -1, -2, -3. Next we find the ordinate, which is obviously going down because the pin is. So we count from -3 up to the pin. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So the ordinate is -7. That gives you -3 for the abscissa and -7 for the ordinate. And the northernmost part of the island is Santa Monica. The coordinates of Santa Monica is 0 and 8. Just like what we did in Socorro, we first must find which quadrant it is plotted. In this case, it doesn't have a quadrant because it is plotted along the y-axis. So it is automatically 0 for the abscissa. Next, we find the ordinate. We will go up because it is the northern part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 0, 8.
To get the slope of the said coordinates, the formula is delta y over delta x, or y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And if still possible, simplify or get the lowest term. So the equation for the first two cities is m is equal to 8 minus -7 over 0 minus -3. The nature of the slope is positive. Next, for number 2, since the northernmost and the southernmost city are also Socorro and Santa Monica, the computations are as is. So we will skip to the third problem, line number 1. We are asked to find the equation of the line connecting the westernmost and the easternmost city. So the westernmost city is Del Carmen, which has the ordered pair of -2.8 and 2.2, or in fraction 14 over 5 and 11 over 5. Then, the easternmost city is General Luna, having the ordered pair of 5 and -1 located in quadrant 4. Next, in searching for line number 2, we need to find 2 other towns that when connected are parallel to the line of Del Carmen and General Luna. So we decided to choose Cloud9 Surf Spot and Poneas Island. The coordinates of Cloud9 are 11/2 and 0, then the Poneas is at -3 and 3. First, we need to find the slope of the 2 towns having the formula of delta y over delta x, and solving it will give us the answer of 6/17. Moving on to the last line, we need to find another 2 towns that when connected will give us a line perpendicular to Del Carmen and General Luna. And we choose the towns of Santa Monica and Siargao Island, which is connected in the origin. First, we need to solve again for the slope. The formula is delta y over delta x, and solving for that will give us the answer of 8/0 or undefined.
And lastly, we conclude that the nature slope of line 3 is undefined slope because the slope of the line is 8/0, which gives us an undefined answer.
Now that you already know how to solve or compute for the different slopes of the paths, I hope it will give ease to your travel. Thank you for listening.
Thank you so much for listening.